Guys, big news. Today is the day. Me, Tharn. I have a date. Yeah, me. Not with a wolf or mosquitoes that want to eat me. Not with a wild boar or a mammoth. But with a woman. A real woman. My first date ever. She said she comes to my place. So excited. So, we have lots of things to do to make it perfect. First of all, I stink. I need a shower. This is one well-washed caveman. I already have meat, so there is only 2 things left for me to do. Pick some fruit and find some flowers. They don't just smell like shit, they taste like shit too. Look at all these beautiful colors and smell the delicious perfumes. This is a winning team. Looks nice, right? My head. I like.
So, you finally awake?
What happened? Who are you? Where am I?
I am your date. You are still in your cave, and you are one idiotic hunter. Let me show you something. You see these red berries you picked and ate? They are poisonous, stupid little man. Unless you cook them, you can't eat them. They will taste amazing with this meat. Wow, hot. Eat. You need to gain your strength back.
So, this tastes great, but how did you know how to help me?
The shaman is my uncle.
Here, lick the frog.
I still can't believe you fell for that, you moron.
She's fun to be around. Smart and funny. I like that. I might keep her around. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Peace. Caveman out.